I believe these are the, I could be wrong, but I think these are the ranunculus. Look how beautiful. I love the layered, oh, they're so beautiful. But you know what it reminds me of? Big Bird from Sesame Street, this color. Oh, I can't wait to see my own in pinks and whatnot. Yeah, so I was walking past this. I said, let me show us some of the beauties of the spring, the treasures, even pussy willow. Some of the treasures of spring. And are these pansies? These are edible, right? So lovely. Yeah. Gorgeous. All right, everyone. Just want to encourage us all to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus. For we have the victory in Christ Jesus. Let us live in Him. Have a great day. Bye-bye.